Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're going to be doing Vicious Cove. We're going to go down here. This is a waterfall. It's not usually here, but yeah, this is a waterfall, not usually here. This is after like 80 milliliters of rain or so. So we're heading this way towards Vicious Cove, and any little things like this I see, I'm going to stop and pick it up, okay? So sit back and enjoy. This is the first scrape, they call this. Like this is coming down on this end, but if you're coming up from Vicious Cove, this is the second scrape. And this here, folks, is the second scrape going down through Vicious Cove. I was shocked there wasn't more rocks here, but fall down. I was more shocked, but yeah. Got a surprise. A big surprise. I thought it was more going to fall down here than I thought. Watch. We might see a rock fall down there. Look at that big old thing. Right there. Ho ho ho. No, nothing falling here today, but there is a waterfall. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Another little waterfall. That's cool. But look at that big old rock right there. Look at that. Oh, I don't want to be around here when that gives out. Hell no. Oh yeah, that's going to do something good. They put him right here, but nowhere else. And that one there's not even serving no purpose. That one there's even tipped over. But anyways, continue on. Whoa, look like we got damage here done to the road. Holy moly. Oh my God, look at this. Oh yeah. Yeah, damage done to the road here. Look at that, it's supposed to be only like a trickle there. Oh, you know, I had to pick it up again. Whoa, what's going on here? Holy moly. Holy shit, good thing we wasn't going fast up over that blind turn. Man, oh man, I would have got creamed. Anyways, guys, gotta put you guys on pause. Yeah, that was a bit of action back there, but look right here. Look at this. Holy moly. Crazy, man. Holy shit. Look at all the rocks on the road. That's the rivers after back flowing. Well guys, I'm home again, so yeah, never seen nothing else exciting. So anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to the video. Okay, I love you all. Bye everyone.